Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing QUEENNAIJA, my self-care routine. Let's get into it.
I'm a pee.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Never had my foot washed with
Okay.
Right now she's tweezing my cooter. Ooh, my mustache burning. I gotta shave my mustache.
Hey girl, bring it back. Don't let you back it. 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 Hey girl, bring it back.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Your girl Queen. Actually, you already know who I am, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe. If y'all know me as Queen the singer, make sure y'all stream my music. If you know me as Queen the YouTuber only, make sure you stream my music. Anyway, y'all, today
Basically, if you only know her for one thing, get to know her both ways. Subscribe, like, comment, especially the petty reactions. But, you know, buy her music. She got great stuff. And apparently she know how to pamper herself. I need to be taking notes. Like, the orange foot thing, I ain't on that yet. So, I'm going to try that next time I go. Self-love, y'all.
today is going to be a self-care vlog. It might consist of 2 days. It might consist of 3 because I can't get everything done in one day. But right now, I'm actually about to go get my nails done because they look a mess. Yeah, this can't be. I just held back on getting them done because Christmas was coming up. I was doing a lot of shopping. I didn't have time to do it. But Christmas is over now. The New Year's is coming up. So, new year, new nails, period. I'm gonna go short, regular, white. I don't know. I used to go really long, but I just stopped doing that ever since I had Legend. I got used to the short nails. And honestly, I'm very clumsy, so I break my nails a lot. As you can see, tip is like hanging off. And that's how my other hand looks as well. So we're gonna go ahead and go get our nails done. Hopefully we can record it. Hopefully they let me. Because they be trying to do my hands and my feet at the same time. So I be tied up. My hands be tied. My hands be tied. Yeah. I also got my teeth pulled. I was down for a good like 5 days. I was in pain, but I don't have to take pain meds no more. There's just holes back there. So hopefully they close up because it looks pretty holy. But anywho, y'all, by the way, I know y'all probably wondering what the heck this is, but if y'all know me, y'all know anytime I get a breakout or anything, Queen gonna wear her pink lotion. I'm gonna wear my lotion anywhere and everywhere, it doesn't matter. But yeah, so I'm about to walk up in there and hopefully they take me because this is just a walk-in. All right, y'all, so they accepted me, so I'm about to get my hands and feet done. And honestly, it looks like they do a good job because I see them massaging people, so hopefully I get a massage too.
Your nails are so thin.
Yes, they're always really weak. I don't know why my nails are so weak.
Did you do acrylic before?
I used to do acrylic a lot, but
I think that's why. That's a reason.
I used to do it so much and then I stopped.
Yeah, that acrylic is really rough on your nails. So I'm glad she stopped.
That color is very pretty. When you file it, it looks lighter.
They were lighter. I will try to make them lighter for you.
You guys, I'm gonna get this color on my nails.
I like it. That's really pretty.
Nails and my feet. I am currently starving. I didn't tell y'all this, but I did not eat anything today. So like I have nothing in my stomach.
Queen, you gotta eat. You're gonna be there for a couple hours, girl.
I'm gonna get my toes done, and this is the before. I'm getting the all-star one so I can get a massage on my shoulders and all that. She has to finish the top coat on my nails, but I love this color. What do you guys think? I usually do white, but this is called Mod About You. Yeah, so I just put my feet in here and I thought there was gonna be water in it, like slushy. It's like slushy mix. Wow, this feels amazing though. It really like just caught me off guard. No, I'm trying so hard not to.
I ain't never seen no slushy. Man, it's been a while, huh? I need to go back.
Left. I need to get my legs waxed. My wax lady just left town, y'all. She decided to leave town the day I needed her.
Right now she's tweezing my cooter. Help. Oh.
Needs the chest.
Needs the chest. Time to get this booty hole wax, y'all. I just want to let you guys know that it's okay if your booty hole is pink, purple, black. It don't matter because everyone has different shades of a butthole. So embrace the BH. Embrace that booty hole. Period. Yeah, I'm ready for the rip. Oh, that feels good. feels good.
You are hearing.
For real? Oh my god. Turn the camera off.
It's all good. I'll just be one hairy mofo. My arms looking like bundle hairs. Okay. Very good job. Next time drink hết bình. Biết ấp thế đi kia. Oh, yeah. Okay. Never had my foot washed with okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. One just makes me hungry. Good. Smells good though. Okay, this is real. Good, yeah. Real attractive. Yeah.
Probably feels really good, you know? The orange is like so, like, you know, there's so many benefits to your skin, like the orange, you know, it's just really natural, astringent, and, you know, it probably also wears with your skin, so that's interesting. I'm gonna try that.
I get a massage too, you guys. This is great. Look, my feet.
She getting her money worth.
Ah, good. Yeah, thank you. My shoulders. Self-care. Put these pretty toes in your mouth. All right, y'all. So that part is over. I literally missed Starbucks by 1 minute. I walked out at 4:59 and the place closed at 5. So hopefully I find another Starbucks. I don't think I can even wait that long and try to find one. I'm probably just gonna go to Wendy's because I am like, when I get hungry, I feel like I'm about to faint. And I cannot feel like that while driving. By the way, your girl can eat chicken nuggets now. I went about 3-4 days eating soup. Nope, not this time. Nope. Go back. Yeah, your girl went about 3 or 4 days eating cheddar broccoli soup.
See, I'm glad you can eat something else because it's great the first couple days, but then you like, I have had this already. I'm done.
I can't do that again. I'm cheddar broccolied out. So I'm about to try to eat some and then go get my lashes done. Just go get them filled a little bit because yeah, it's a little empty. Ooh, the golden hour. Hold on, y'all. The golden hour is here. So golden. As soon as this car go by, I'm about to run this light. Hi, can I just do a day single? No catch.
Yes. Don't be running lights. Oh my gosh, girl. Ma'am.
No mustard, no pickles, no tomatoes, and you can add bacon, I guess. I ran a red light for a dry burger. I'm so pissed off, but the fries held me over. Fries and lemonade, so that's what I had. That's all I had. But hey, hi love. How are you? Such a beautiful view where I'm looking, y'all. I'm gonna have my eyes closed the whole time. Oh Lord. Okay, wait, starting to burn. Y'all, I gotta pee. I don't know how I'ma pee. How I'ma see to pee. I can't see. Okay. Just keep the fan. Just keep the fan. Just gotta pee and fan. Pee and fan. Ooh. Okay. I feel a lot better now. I get my lashes filled by the one and only. Okay, so
fellas watching, you know, beauty is pain, apparently. You know, you gotta make crucial decisions, like you gonna be hungry, you gonna go to the bathroom, all this trying to get your beauty on.
Hey y'all, my name is Kel. Oh wait, was I supposed to be introducing
myself? Yeah, you can do it.
I'm Kel. Make sure y'all book with me at Blink Babes with a Z on Instagram.
Please. Amen, hallelujah.
She's so sweet. She always announcing who helping her out. That's great. Thank you for helping those sisters out.
Alright, y'all. I'm about to get the rest of my lashes done and then, yeah, just go to sleep. Good night. Yes, y'all. Yes to the lashes. They are done. But these brows, though, yeah, we gotta talk. These brows, we gotta talk. Because the brows and lashes not matching up. I'm about to see if I can go make it in time for my brows. So it all can be good. Nails, lashes, brows. The next morning, as y'all know, I was supposed to go get my eyebrows done today. First, I gotta do my morning routine. Did I ever upload a video of me doing my skincare routine? I don't know, but if I did, then y'all gonna see it again. Okay, I'm just about to wash my face real quick. Let me just tell y'all something. I literally threw out all my facial skincare products. I know I just had some pimples yesterday, and they still trying to go down, but that's because I wasn't like really staying consistent with my skincare routine. But when I do stay consistent, y'all, Sheree Cosmetics, y'all, have done me very well. They have a foaming cleanser, then they have like some really save this. Like,
started acting out irrationally. Give me your energy to those who ain't even have for me.
right here, because they're so cute to me. So, should I get this sweater with it? Or this sweater? This sweater I could wear more like as a dress.
I like the blue one better. The red one, you can't even see the writing.
Oh no, it's a little big. This is like a little too big. I look like I'm going to church. I don't know, which one y'all like? Let me know. I guess this is a little shopping vlog too, if you want to call it that. By the way, this is what I ended up wearing today, y'all. Just to show you. These are Nike. I know you can't tell, but I literally thought I had nothing to match with it. I didn't have nothing to match with it, so I just wore a white hoodie, and then I found these that I never wore before, these Pumas. And it's a cute little run around outfit, you feel me? Okay, y'all, I'm about to go to the store for real, because I'm starving. I was supposed to have been left here, but I'm here 20 minutes later, and I think I want this hat. Hold on, let me show y'all. Y'all like this hat? I like this hat. What y'all think? I love it. And it hides me well, doesn't it? It hides me well. I wore my hat out the store because I just thought it was too cute.
It's cute on her. I'm not big on hats, but I like it on you.
Hold on, wait. Is that the golden hour again? I'm about to go home now. Actually, no, I'm not about to.
It's nice because you got a nice long bill.
Go home. I'm about to head towards home, pick up some packages with my name on it. Because like I said, Clarence, I'm going to get his packages for whatever reason. Then I'm going to pick up my other package, which is my son. My youngest son, my beautiful legend. I love my legend so much. It's so crazy, man. I remember when I first found out I was pregnant with him. And I don't know why I'm telling y'all this, but when I first found out I was pregnant with him, I was literally so nervous because y'all know I had a, if y'all don't know, I had a miscarriage like way before Legend, and I thought that I wasn't gonna be able to see Legend like the little bean, because they never seen the baby, so I was scared I wasn't gonna see Legend, like I wasn't gonna see little bean. But when I seen him, I was so happy. And wow, my oldest kid is at his dad's house right now. He went to his dad's house on Christmas evening. He got to open his gifts here, then he went to his dad's house and open his gifts there, so I'm sure he's having a great jolly time. Yeah, I'm about to go home and cook. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that though. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. This is a self-care vlog. This is not cooking with Queen. If y'all want to see a cooking with Queen vlog, if y'all want me to film the pot roast thing, ooh, look at this. Oops. Can I get in, please? Can I get inside? Oh, and when I get home, I'm gonna show y'all my room so far. I got a new item in my room, my rug, and I got all my studio equipment now. So it's about to be on and popping with this music. And yeah, let me just drive because I need to pay attention to the road. Me and my Leggy just made a Target trip. He got mommy's.
Hey, Legend. Oh, it's Legend and Mommy Day.
Phone. I just bought him a new car seat for my Jeep because we always have to keep transferring the car seat back and forth, and that's very inconvenient for me. So I'm about to get some Starbucks. Hopefully they have any. Do they got refreshers? Please tell me y'all got the Legend. How you feeling, Papa Bear? He just so stuck in my phone. Gave him my phone. Parents. If this is the only way to get your kids to be quiet in the stores, let me know. Let me know I'm not alone. Baby, mommy wanna kiss, kiss, kiss. Mommy wanna kiss, kiss, kiss. Love you, stinky butt. Got my Starbucks, my mango dragon fruit refresher, and off to the home we go. Okay, so I told y'all when I got home I was going to show you guys so far how my room is. Y'all ready? Y'all see that purple hue? It's not done yet because my pictures aren't really hung up yet. And it's not empty and clear. I have some shoes and stuff in here that should be somewhere else. So y'all ready? Drum roll, please. Look at my room, you guys.
is my woman cave. I still have to put up my pictures, like my plaques and stuff. And I have a new plaque that actually I just got recently. And this rug just came. The crazy thing is, y'all, I forgot I ordered this rug from Etsy. And literally it took like a couple of months, so I had forgot. But this is how it looks so far. I love to just keep the purple lights on. Purple is the best. Oh, I bumped to the door. But this is how my room is looking so far. I just got this office chair today and I put it together from Wayfair. It's like a Sherpa. This is how it looks with the light on. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. Why my light not working? Hold on, wait a minute. Maybe I gotta like, hold on. Try to. Okay, I can't reach it. Oh, okay, there we go. Boom, there we go. All right. This is how it looks with the light on, y'all. It's so nice. It's such.
I like it. It's very nice. I like the QUEENNAIJA with the neon lights, and sofa's really nice. The chair's nice, but I like the pictures, so I couldn't see the pictures with the light off. That's very nice. That's a little nice chill room. I like it.
The vibe. Don't mind that stuff there. Those are my like my boots from tour and stuff. And not to mention, I have all my studio equipment, you guys. Yeah, this is the chair. It's so freaking cute. Fits right in my little desk that I also got from Wayfair. I just got this candle because y'all know I'm a Libra. Got this candle for Christmas from Monique. Thank you, Monique. And some little books and stuff. I be chilling on that thing, but I like the light off more. I'm going to end this vlog out, and I gotta do some more videos in this room, yo. What y'all think? I gotta do some videos in here. What y'all think about Queen's Talk Show? When you have me some friends over here, when you have some, you know. But yeah, all right, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog out. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe, and like, and share, and all of that good stuff. Love you guys. Mwah.
All right. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the No-No Squad.